So welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates. But before starting the video I will tell one thing. If you are beginner, don't confuse. I will show you on my screen that Fiverr freelancers platform is different and Fiverr affiliates platform is different. Okay, so first of all, you can see over here, this is a Fiverr account where people give services. Okay, so for example, I will click over here for graphic designing. Okay, graphic designing or graphic design. So you will freelancers are selling their gigs over here. Okay, their services. So Fiverr, what is Fiverr affiliate actually? Fiverr affiliate means we will promote freelancers from our landing pages, YouTube channels, or different platforms. I have discussed each and everything in my playlist about Fiverr affiliates, how you can promote your products, links on Quora, Pinterest, Medium, article based, different method I have shared with you. You can check my playlist, but if you are beginner, don't confuse. Watch the complete video to understand this. For example, these are the freelancers. Okay, so we will promote their gigs, and whenever the person will buy some services from them, we will get commission. I mean, you will get commission, I will get commission. Simple. Okay, so the next thing I will tell you in this video, my earnings. You can see over the 10 days ago I have earned $510. Okay, by promoting the freelancers from Fiverr, and got this amount. I have promoted Fiverr Pro Gigs, and you will see over here Fiverr Pro Gigs means they will give us many good amount. Okay, and the many students, many people who are watching this video, many people messaged me on Instagram and told me about that they are earning very good. Okay, they are crushing. Okay, so with free methods as well. And you can see this is the dashboard Fiverr affiliates, where you will create your free account and you will give you will get your affiliate link. Okay, so the confusion about Fiverr affiliates and Fiverr is resolved. So this is the purpose of that video. You will click over here on join now, and you will fill the formality form over here, and after that you can get your Fiverr affiliate account and you will promote Fiverr gig, Fiverr freelancers services. So the method will be started from here. Watch it. You will go to the first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, account type, and different thing over here. You will click over here, account type, company, private. You will select private because you are not company. So if you are company, you can select company, otherwise you will select private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You will click over here. Okay, yes, you will write, yeah, you will click over the yes, and then country, English, or any language which you use. And Skype ID, you can get Skype ID absolutely free, no problem. And what will you do after that? You will go to the Google Sites. Google Sites is a free landing page. I will show you free landing page, how you can create it. And again, I will show you the one free pro method over here. I will go click over here, you will click over here. After that you will click on the blank. Okay, you will click on the blank, and after that the method, what the method is going start over here. You will go to the service which you are going to promote. For example, graphic designing. Okay, graphic design, and then okay, so one more thing I will add in this video, then I will come over here. First of all, you will see the commissions as well, which I have forgotten to tell you. You will click over here on the commission plan and you will select the category according to your niche. Okay, so for example, I mostly promote Fiverr Pro Gigs, so you can promote Fiverr Pro Gigs. There is no big deal, and you can select website builders and CMS for $40. Means if you promote that service and the person will buy that service, you will get $150. Okay, so don't try to be think that the person is making $2,000, $1,500, $3,000, because the charges are so high, because the commission is so high. Okay, so $150 for one service. Okay, So if you give services per day, you will imagine that how much you can earn, or per week you can imagine. Okay, so $30 for e-commerce product videos, $25 for okay, so different categories you will read over here and you can check. I will put the description, a Fiverr affiliate description link in my description, so you can easily free sign up for Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so after that, what I have going to show you that graphic designs. For example, I'm going to select some graphic designer from here. Okay, so I'm not going to select one graphic designer from here. Keep watching this video complete. What I'm going to say over here, please concentrate. Okay, I'm not going to select one graphic designer over here. I will select multiple level 2 sellers from here. Okay, for example, level 2 seller is this one, 4.9 rating, 1k reviews. Level 2 seller, 364 5 ratings and different things. So the mostly gigs which are appearing on that screen, they mostly are level 2 sellers or top rated sellers. So we will promote their gigs because we want some user to be more trusted and more, because these are the experts, that's why they are level 2 sellers. So we will promote their gigs. And what is the method over here? You don't need to promote single gig. This will be a actually your failure, seriously. So what you will do, you will select 1 2 3 4 5 6, at least 5 to 6 gigs, and you will put your affiliate link on your affiliate dashboard, and you will change the link to affiliate, and you will take a screenshot of that gig and you will put on your landing pages line wise. And then I will see, I'm going to promote this gig, basic $30, standard $60, and premium $120. I will click over here. Okay, I will copy the link, I will change the link into affiliate, and then I will take screenshot of that gig. Okay, like this part. Okay, and then I will take a screenshot, and then I will put the link in the below on the top. That will be your own choice, and you will write over there that click here. Simple. So the user will have more opportunities and more options. So that will be a combination of multiple gigs. So the method, so the number one thing is landing page. For example, we are going to select some landing page platform, so we will select Google. So for example, I am going to write over here best graphic designers, best graphics image from here. So you can select any image. For example, I am going to select this one. I am going to select this one, right? You will change the titles, design, color, and whatever you like. Okay, so for example, this one, black one, red one, pink one, or this one, whatever, that will be your own choice. So you over here, you will go to the scroll down and then click over the YouTube. Now keep watching this video, understand the method. No one will get service, otherwise no one will get services until they know about the information. Okay, so we will give the information to users, and the best source of information is in video form. Okay, so mostly people don't read text, so they will understand that through videos. So what we will going to do is over here, what is graphic designing? Okay, what is graphic designing? Okay, so for example, I am going to click over here. So the videos are appearing over here. Make sure the videos shouldn't have affiliate links in their videos, so you can use their videos on your landing page. So the user will come and they will click over the video, they will know the information, they will know what is actually graphic designing is, what is SEO is, what is web development is, according to your niche which you are going to promote. Okay, randomly I am going to select this one. Okay, and I didn't watch if this video has affiliate link or not, but you have to check, otherwise your user, your customer will redirect to from that video. Okay, so if they don't have affiliate link, you can embed their video in your landing page, so the user will attract more. This is the technique. Okay, and after that, what will you do? You will put the screenshots, pictures over the over here and below the link, and different links, how you can get link. I will show you over here. For example, I'm going to select this service one by one. You will copy here, you will go to your affiliate dashboard. Okay, you will go to your affiliate dashboard. Where is my dashboard? Okay, you will go to the affiliate dashboard like this, and after that you will click over here marketing and tools, and then you will click LP URL, and you will click over here paste, and then you will check, uncheck, check. So check means the URL will be longer, and uncheck means URL will be shortened. So you will get your URL link, your affiliate link whenever the person will click over there. So definitely on buy sub services you will get commission. Simple formula. Okay, and if you want to add some text over here, so you can use Spinboard for this. Spinboard means you can go to the Google and you will find some article from there, and you can rewrite the article and you will put in your landing page, so user will get more information. The more information you will give to the users and benefits, the more chances they will buy your services. Simple. Hope this video will become very helpful for you. I will make more videos about how you can make money online, and according to your, if you want me to make more videos about affiliate marketing, so you can comment me, so I will make it. Or if I made any mistake in this video or missed something, you can ask me in comments. That will be a pleasure for me. So thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.